What's the meaning of Atkins diet? Atkins diet. Atkins diet.
Atkins diet. Atkins diet. The Atkins diet is a low-carbohydrate diet developed by Dr. Robert Atkins in the 1960s. The diet involves reducing the intake of carbohydrates and increasing the consumption of protein and fats. This puts the body in a state of ketosis, where it burns stored fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. The result is often rapid weight loss, particularly in the first few weeks of the diet. Despite controversy surrounding its safety and effectiveness, the Atkins diet remains popular among those seeking to lose weight quickly.